Hello, Sairam students. Okay, today let's continue with our chapter 6 and today we'll be doing part 2. Okay, now children, in the last class we have studied about the place value of decimal numbers and also about the two parts in a decimal number. Okay, now the part before the decimal point is called as the whole number or integral part, and the part after the decimal point is called as the decimal part or the fractional part. And also keep this in mind that as we keep moving to the right, the numbers get 10 times smaller. Okay, so today let's continue and learn how to write the decimal number in expanded form and also how to write the expanded number in short form. Okay, so first topic, let us start with the first topic, that is expanded form of decimal numbers. Okay, now how to write the expanded form of decimal numbers. Now expansion of decimal numbers follows the same pattern as expansion of whole numbers. Now in the lower classes you have already studied how to write the numbers in expanded form, correct? So the method is the same or the pattern is the same for whole numbers. Okay, and we express the decimal numbers in the expanded by writing the sum of the value of each digit in the given number. Okay, so to write the number in expanded form of decimal numbers, the pattern is the same, but after the decimal point the numbers get 10 times smaller. So let's learn how to write the expanded form of decimal numbers. Okay, now let's start with an example, children. Now here the number is 514.862. Okay, so first just see 514, 4 is in ones place, 1 is in tens place, 5 is in hundreds place, correct? Now how will you write the whole numbers in expanded form? It is the same way, that is 5 is in hundreds place, so the place value will be 500. 1 is in tens place, so the place value of 1 will be 10, and 4 is in ones place, so the value of 4 will not change, it will remain as it is. Now what about 8, 6 and 2, that is after the decimal point. Now 8 is in 10th place, so we will write it as 8 upon 10. Okay, 6 is in 100th place, so 6 upon 100, and 2 is in 1000th place, so 2 upon 1000. Now the same thing you can write it in using a decimal point, so this will remain the same, that is 500 plus 10 plus 4. Now 8 upon 10 is written as 0.8. Has 10 has got 1 0, so we will write it as 0.8. Now here 6 upon 100, here 100 has got 2 zeros, so we will write 0.06. The decimal places will be that how many zeros, the number of zeros the 100 has. Okay, it is according to that. Now 2 upon 1000, 1000 has got 3 zeros, so you will write the number as 0.00, just place this up, 002. Okay, so this is how we write the expanded form of decimal number. Okay, just check the answer from this slide. Yes, now see here, 500 plus 10 plus 4, 8 upon 10, 6 upon 100 plus 2 upon 1000. Okay, now 500 is in hundreds place, so the place value is 500. 1 is in tens place, so the place value is 10. 4 is in ones place, so the place value is 4. 8 is in 10th place, okay, so the place value is 0.8. 6 is in 100th place, so the place value is 0.06, and the place value of 2, that is which is in 1000 place, so 0.002. 2. So always remember that the digits after the decimal point. Now here the digits after the decimal point should be equal to the number of zeros in the denominator. Okay. Now here the denominator has got 3 zeros. So the digits after the decimal point also should be equal to the number of zeros. Now here 3 zeros means here after the decimal places should also be 3. Okay. So 2 is a single digit number. So we are adding zeros to it. Okay. So keep it in mind that the digits after the decimal point should be equal to the number of zeros in the denominator. Okay. Yes, coming to the next example. Okay, now here 401.005. So 4 is in hundreds place. So the place value is 4. Now in the tens place it is 0. So we need not write because the place value of 0 is always 0. 1 is in ones place. So the place value of 1 is 1. Now here in the 10th place and 100th place it is 0. So we need not write. We can directly write with 5 upon 1000. 1000th. So 5 upon 1000 is the place value of 5. So 400 plus 1. So when you write it using a decimal point, that is 0.005. Okay. So we do not write the place value of 0 as it is always 0. Okay. Now based on this exercise 6.1, which you have to write the decimal numbers in expanded form. Just solve it in your maths notebook. Now write in the expanded form. It's very simple. So 196 is a whole number or integral part. So we'll write it as 100. 1 is in hundreds place. 9 is in tens place. So 90. 6 is in ones place. So 6. Now 2 is in 10th place. So 2 upon 10, that is after the decimal point. 7 is in 100th place. So 7 upon 100. Now using the decimal point, we'll write it as, this will remain as it is. So 100 plus 90 plus 6. Now 2 upon 10. So 0.2. Now the digit here should be equal. Keep this in mind. That is after the decimal point should be equal to the number of zeros in the denominator. Now here it is 100. So after the point there should be 2 decimal places. So while writing it will be 0.07. So 2 zeros 1 2. So 1 2. Okay. Yes. Yes, you can write the expanded form here. Just copy it on this answer. So 1 is in hundreds place. So 100 plus 9 tens plus 6 ones. And then write it here. That is 100 plus 90 plus 6. So 2 is in 10th place. So 2 tens. And 7 is in 100th place. So 7 hundreds. So 2 upon 10 plus 7 upon 100. And using the decimal point, you can write the final answer as 100 plus 90 plus 6 plus 0.2 plus 0.07. Okay. Okay. Next sum. G1 9824.07. So 9 is in thousands place. So you'll write it as 9000 plus 8 is in hundreds place. So 800. 2 is in tens place. So 2 tens. And 4 is in ones place. So 4 ones. In the 10th place it is 0. So we need not write. If you write also, it is not wrong. 7 is in 100th place. So 7 hundreds. So 9000 place value you will write 9000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 4. 7 is in 100th place. So 7 upon 100. Okay, now while writing the final answer, that will be 9000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 4, and 7 upon 100, write it using a decimal point, that is 0.07. Okay, now coming to the next sum. I1 304 plus 304.189. So 3 is in hundreds place. So 300. 0 tens. So and 4 ones. 4 is in ones place. So 4 ones. 1 is in 10th place. So 1/10. 8 is in 100th place. So 800th. And 9 is in 1000th place. So 9000th. Now write the place value. 300 plus 4. 1/10 is 1 upon 10. 800th is 8 upon 100. And 9000th is 9 upon 1000. Okay. Now final answer using the decimal point. 300 plus 4 plus 0.1 plus 0.08 plus 0.009. The only point what you have to remember is the digits after the decimal point should be equal to the number of zeros in the denominator. Now here in 1000 there are 3 zeros. So after the decimal point there should be 3 decimal places. Okay. Okay, now the other topic, that is now how to write the expanded form into decimal form, or you can say short form. Okay. Yes. Start with an example. Now write 30 plus 6 plus 8 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100 plus 2 upon 1000 as decimal form. Now here children, expanded form of a number is given, that is 30 plus 6 plus 8 upon 10 plus 5 upon 100 plus 2 upon 1000. Now this sum can be done in 2 methods. Okay. So both the methods I'll show. You can use any one of the method. We get the decimal form by placing the numbers in the place value chart. The thing is, you can make a place value chart. Now here it is 30. That means you can start with tens place, tens, ones, and then comes the decimal point, and then with the decimal part of the answer. So 8. So 8 upon 10, 5 upon 100 till 1000th place. So you will start with 10th place, 100th place and 1000th place. Now 30 is in 10th place. So you will write the number 3 in 10th place. Okay. 6 is in 1's place. So you will write the number 6 in 1's place. 8 upon 10. That means from here the decimal part is started. So you will use a decimal point. Okay. And then 8 upon 10 is in 10th place. So you will write the number 8 in 10th place. 5 upon 100. 5 is in 100th place. So you will write the number 5 in 100th place. And 2 is in 1000th place. So write the number 2 in 1000th place. Now your final answer while you write is, that is 36 point, that is 852. Okay. So this is your, that is, you write the answer in short form. Okay. Or you can say in decimal numbers. Now the other method is here. The number is given in expanded form. 30 plus 6 plus 8 upon 10. Write it in expanded form first. That is 30 plus 6. 8 upon 10 will be 0.8. 5 upon 100 will be 0.05. And 2 upon 1000 will be 0.002. Correct? Now what you have to do is, you will add all the numbers. Now 30 and 6 is a whole number. So you will add 30 and 6. And now 0.8. Now 0 is in, you will write it under whole number. And 0.8, that is after the point, that is a decimal number. So 0.8. Now 0.05 and 0.002. You will write the numbers in correct place and then add it. When you add it, you get the same answer, that is 36.852. Okay. The first method is by writing the numbers in a place value chart, and the second method is write the numbers in expanded form first and then add all the numbers. But when adding the numbers, you have to keep it in mind that you are writing the numbers in correct place. Okay. Coming to our exercise part, exercise 6.1. Yes. Write the following in short form. Expanded form of a number is given. The first one is 2 plus 3 upon 10. Now here 2 is in 1's place. We don't have any number in the 10's place, so we will not write anything. Now the first method is using a place value chart. 2 is in 1's place, so we will write the number 2 in the ones part. Now 3 upon 10 is a decimal part. So before the decimal part, we will put a decimal point. And 3 upon 10, 3 is in 10th place. So you will write the number 3 in 10th place. So while writing the final answer, you will get it as 2.3. Okay. Now same the second method. Now 2 plus 3 upon 10. So add the whole numbers, that is 3 upon 10, while writing it using a decimal point will be 0.3. Now add both the numbers, 2 plus 0.3. So you will get it as 2.3. So your final answer is the same as 2.3. Okay, coming to the next sum, C1, that is 7,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 8 upon 10 plus 6 upon 1,000. Now 7 is in thousands place. So 7 you will write it under 7, that is thousands place using a place value chart. 5 is in hundreds place. 2 is in tens place. There is no number in the ones place, so you put a 0. 8 upon 10 decimal part starts, so you will put a decimal point first. Okay, and then 8 is in 10th place. You will write 8 under 10th place. As there is no number in the 100th place, so you will put a 0. And 6 is in 1000th place, so you will write the number 6 in 1000th place. And the final answer when you write your number is 7,520.806. Okay. Now the same sum using the second method. (7,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 8 upon 10 plus 6 upon 1,000). Now here first you write the number using the decimal point. After writing the number in the decimal point, you will add all the numbers. So 7,000 plus 520 is a whole part. Then 0.8. 8 you will not write under the whole part or the integral part. It is a decimal part. So 0.8 plus 0.006. So while adding, place the numbers correctly and add. You will get the final answer, that is 7,520.806. The last sum, E1, 1000 plus 300 plus 5 plus 4 upon 100. Now 1000 plus 300, here I have shown you only one method. You can use both the methods. So 1000 plus 300 plus 5, 4 upon 100 is written as 0.04. And when adding all the numbers, you will get the answer as 1305.04. Okay. Now based on this, that is to write the number, decimal number in expanded form, and to write the expanded form in short form, home assignment for you, which you have to do it in your homework part. So the first one is write in expanded form, and the second one is expanded form is given, you have to write it in short form. So that's all for today, children. Meet you in the next class. Thank you.